Is it necessary? Probably not. Hey friends, welcome back. My name is Jasmine if you're new here. So today's video is going to be all about the new e.l.f. Halo filter. So this is e.l.f.'s newest beauty launch that everybody and their mother has been raving about. I have 3 shades, so I'm going to show you guys the swatches of these 3 shades, and I'm also going to show how it applies on my face. This is a multi-use product. It's also supposed to be a dupe for Charlotte Tilbury's similar like glow product. So let's get into this product. First things first, we're gonna go ahead and swatch all 3 shades to see which one's gonna work the best for my complexion. So I have shade 6. This is tan/deep. This product does come in 8 shades, and e.l.f. sent me the 3 deepest shades, which are tan deep, deep rich, and rich. So I have already tried Deep Rich over the weekend, so I know what that one looks like. I'm gonna give these a little shake. I like to shake products, even when I'm not supposed to. Okay, so let's start with shade number 6. Based on the description, you can wear these 4 different ways. You could wear them alone for sheer coverage, for a soft focus effect. You could wear it under foundation for a luminous base. I'm gonna go ahead and do the swatch of this shade here. This is number 6. You could also mix this in with foundation, and the last way you can use it is basically as a highlighter, so you could highlight your high points. This is Deep Rich. This is number 7. Me personally, I feel like I would wear it mostly mixed in with foundation, under foundation, or yeah, I think those would be the main ways I would wear them. I don't think I would wear it alone. I tried it already and I know it wasn't really for me. I felt like I needed something else to like help keep it secure, so I wouldn't really wear it on its own, but definitely like every other way. But every other way sounds appealing to me. So these are the 3 shades. As you can see, this is the lightest, this is the medium, and this is like the deeper shade. So I personally feel like I'm in the middle of these 2 shades. This is definitely too light, and then this one's a little bit deeper. I've worn it on its own, so that's how I kind of know it's a little deeper. So what I'm gonna do personally is I'm going to apply this shade instead, because I tend to only highlight the center where it's a little lighter than the perimeter. So I feel like this is gonna work fine for me. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take a clean paper towel and just wipe off the swatches, and then I'm gonna take shade 10 deep, and we're gonna go ahead and apply that. Number 6. This product does have hyaluronic acid and squalane, which are gonna give you a lot of hydration, and I love that. I love hydrating products. I feel like hydrating products are important all year round, but the winter, especially when you get really dry, you need hydration. So I'm gonna just apply this here. Definitely like on my highlighted areas. I'm gonna use this e.l.f. brush to blend it. This brush came with the package it sent me, and it's called the Complexion Duo. So it has a smaller oh no, what the heck, it has a smaller end and a bigger end. So I feel like I have a brush like this from e.l.f. already, though. I feel like I do have this brush from e.l.f., but it was shaped a little different. Maybe they like recreated it, and I really did love that brush. For the center, I feel like this shade is better. So that's what that looks like. Oh my gosh, I look like I'm freaking glowing. Like, I wish my face would look like this like all the time. It looks like a glowing goddess. It's, oh, I love a glow. I love a glow from within without looking super greasy and like ultra shiny. This is really beautiful. I'm gonna apply a little bit under my brow, like right here, just to like highlight that area. I'm using the smaller side for this part. I didn't do this last time, but I just saw the picture and I noticed that they applied it under the model's brow and it looks really pretty, so here I am. All right, so for my complexion, I'm gonna use the e.l.f. CC cream today. Just I figure, you know, stick with e.l.f. So this is the e.l.f. CC cream, and I used the shade 540N, this neutral. I haven't used this in a while, so I don't remember if this is like my, ooh, I think this is my winter shade. I was literally thinking, like, I wonder if this is my winter shade or my summer shade. Also, this summer, I definitely spent a lot of time, more than normal, out in the sun. I don't know what I was doing. I did use sunscreen though. which it's not bad. You know, vitamin D is really important, and a lot of us, especially melanated folks, a lot of us melanated people are deficient, so it's not a bad thing. I think it looks really nice. It's definitely giving glow, so if you're not into glow, you're not gonna like this. Or what I would say is to use it in the highlighted way, so basically only use it on this area. Places that you would put normally a highlighter, that's where I would use it, only on those areas. And I would probably do it like after I did foundation. I wouldn't put it under like the way I did it, so it wouldn't be as glowy, if that makes sense. So we're gonna do concealer. I've been using the Sephora concealer, and this one is in number 45P. So we're gonna just apply this. I've been enjoying using this like pink undertone concealer. I think it looks really good. While that's drying, I'm gonna just fill my brows in really quickly with the Fenty Beauty pencil. So we're gonna blend this in. All right, let's blend this in. Yo, my lashes. My lashes look crazy. I need to take these out. We're gonna start with Huda Beauty's powder. I just put some lashes on because my lashes were looking so crazy. This is looking really good. Like, I love the combo with, I love the e.l.f. CC cream with this glow serum. I think they look really good together. I'm gonna use NARS cream contour today. I love this stuff, it's so good. I'm gonna just take the same brush. I'm gonna take the same e.l.f. brush that I use and just apply this. I feel like it looks really pretty because the brush has that glow product, so it's giving the bronzer like a nice glow. And then I'm gonna use my sponge to just blend it a little bit more right here. I'm using Cocoa Naughty from Fenty to just add some definition right here. I'm gonna use this Juvia's Place blush today. I'm using the tiniest amount because her blushes are so pigmented. So just a little touch is all you need. And then I always go over it with my sponge to just make sure it doesn't look too crazy. I turned the lighting down. Hopefully it doesn't look way darker. Alright, y'all. So I'll put a little bit on my nose. Ooh, the look is coming together. I got this Anastasia palette like months ago at this point, and I've yet to use it. So today I'm just gonna take Muse, this shade right here. I'm gonna put that down here. Oh, this is a pretty color. I'm gonna put some up here. So pretty, y'all. I'm gonna take Belle. It's like a light green, like a light khaki color. This color is beautiful. Okay. Somebody's been sleeping on that Anastasia palette because it's real pretty. The colors look really pretty from that Anastasia palette. I'm doing Makeup Forever for lip liner. This is Limitless Brown, and I will have everything linked below. I hope. For lips, we're gonna do a little Urban Decay action. This is one of their new products. It's called, this is their new lip product. I forget what it's called, but I'll have a link below for you guys. I want to show you guys this over my makeup as well. I'm feeling this look, okay? I feel like it's giving very much fall, and it's fall, so it's September, so it's officially fall in my mind. So I'm gonna show you guys though real quick. We're gonna go over a little area right here with this just to see what it looks like over makeup. Oh, it's really pretty. It's giving a little bit of a glow. It's not too much though. It's not like a strong highlighter type of glow. It's a very subtle glow. Let me know your thoughts down below. This product retails for $14. I feel like it's something you can definitely add into your routine if you're looking for a little bit of a glow. Just a really subtle glow. Is it necessary? Probably not, but is this something that's definitely a nice little addition? I think so. I think it's gonna look really pretty, and you can definitely use it in so many different ways. It's very versatile and affordable, and it looks really nice. And also the packaging, the packaging's also really nice. So yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below in the comments what your thoughts are on this product, if you've tried it already, if you're gonna try it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye friends.